I've been in a mission lately to find really good, affordable makeup products, skincare products, any kind of beauty items that are affordable, they're easily accessible, and they work just as well as their more expensive counterparts. And I don't really want to call them dupes or duplicates. I just want to find really good products that I love that work just as well. Last year I found some really good ones, and I'm going to show you some of my favorite ones that I liked so well that they made their way into my makeup bag, and I'm using them every single day. Milani has been a standout for me this year. You'll see a theme in these few products that I'm going to share with you today. Several of them are from Milani. It's just a great brand, but it's like any other brand. There have been things that I haven't loved, but then there have been some things in this brand that, oh my gosh, so good. Like I said, they've made their way into my makeup bag. This Lip Plumper lip gloss, I've replaced almost every single lip gloss that I have for this one. The color that I'm using is Champagne. I will link everything that I'm talking about today below this video in the description. This Champagne, beautiful neutral color. If you're not necessarily a lip gloss person, maybe you like lipstick, but you want to put a gloss over the top of it, this will go with anything. This color, they have several colors, but I really like this Champagne. More often than not, especially in the summertime, I just use it by itself. But this Milani lip gloss, absolutely love it. Like I said, I've replaced all of my other glosses in favor of this one. I'm sharing 6 of my very favorite affordable makeup products that I found last year. If you want to see my favorite beauty products that I found last year, leave me a comment and let me know, and I will make that video. But I'm sharing 6 of my very favorite affordable makeup products that I stumbled on last year, and you're gonna see a theme. 4 of them are from Milani. Every time I find one of their products, I'm like, oh my gosh, I can't wait to see what else I find. Everything works really well. They're really good quality, and most everything is under 10 bucks. I love this blush. This is their baked blush. The color that I'm using is Bella Bellini. I've talked about this before. What I really like about their baked blushes is there are several colors mixed in here, and there's a little bit of a frosty kind of a luminescence. Not super frosty like we saw our moms and our aunts use in the 60s. Just enough to make it super interesting, and just enough of a good color combination in here that if you find a color that you think, I'm not sure if that's good for me, it's not where you're just gonna go, oh gosh, that is bad. You really have a little bit of forgiveness in these baked products that have several colors swirled in here. I'm very, very fair, blonde hair, and so this Bella Bellini is kind of a corally pink mixture in here, and I love it. And so again, a great standout for me, the Bella Bellini shade of the Milani baked blush. I've talked about setting sprays several times before, so you know that I love the NYX setting spray. I love a great setting spray, period. If you haven't really used setting sprays, I will leave a link to my video where I talk about setting sprays, and I talk about this one. Fabulous. I love this one. This is not the one I wanted to show you today though. But if you are not really familiar with setting sprays, here's a little tip. Setting sprays will lock everything in place. You may or may not love them if you're really dry. I am not dry. I am very oily. In my almost mid-50s, I am still very oily. So I like to put on all of my makeup before my mascara, spray a setting spray on, and it just locks all my makeup in place. My makeup still looks good at 5 or 6 or 7 o'clock at night. I love a setting spray. The one that I'm using now is the Milani Make It Last. I told you there was a theme. This Make It Last setting spray, fabulous. I like it just as well as the NYX. The only thing that makes me favor this over the NYX right now is it does have a little bit finer of a mist. So I really like that. And so again, I just put all my makeup on before mascara. Then I put my setting spray on. After it dries, then I put mascara on. But the best way to apply your setting spray, again, you have all your makeup on, everything on, and then I do 1 spray, 2 sprays, 3, 4, 5. So it's kind of an X and then a Z. I'm telling you, if you haven't tried setting sprays, this one is fabulous. It's just as good as the NYX. I don't notice a big difference. Only difference is I really like the finer mist in this one. So for that reason, that's the one I've been using every day. And again, I will link them both in the description below this video. My next product gets me off of Milani for just a second. And this one is from e.l.f. If you've been watching any of my videos, you know I've been loving e.l.f. Also, almost every single product that I get from e.l.f. is under 10 bucks. Works really well, and it's a pretty clean brand too. This one from e.l.f. is a contour palette. You can tell it's very loved. 4 different colors in this contour palette, and I really think that I want to make a video just on this contour palette because I'm loving it. The contour, obviously, I've done contour videos before, just, contouring your cheeks, around your, forehead, your jawline. I'm loving this, but I've also been using the lighter color on the inner corners of my eyes. I've been using this corner as kind of an eyeshadow. So I may end up doing a video just on this contour palette, but this has also been an everyday brand new find for me from this year. Under 10 bucks from e.l.f. I love this. My last 2 affordable makeup finds from last year are the eyes. First one, I've talked about these before. I love eyeshadow sticks. This one is terrific. This is the e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow stick. What I love about eyeshadow sticks, whichever brand that you love, I love these from e.l.f. What I love about eyeshadow sticks, you don't have to think about them. You don't have to be super talented, super creative to use eyeshadow sticks. If you don't like your makeup to enter the room before you do, I think you'll love eyeshadow sticks. I just showed you my eye makeup for today. I like to take an eyeshadow stick and line the top, and then I like to take it and line the bottom. I don't ever use eyeliner on the bottom. I take an eyeshadow stick and line the top, and then I take the eyeshadow stick and line the bottom, and then I usually put my eyeliner over the top of that on the top. That is usually the extent of my eye makeup 75% of the time. This one is beautiful. This is called Rose Gold. I love this color. It's just interesting. And again, eyeshadow sticks make it so that you don't have to be super talented. You don't have to be super creative. You don't have to have a really steady hand. That's what I love about eyeshadow sticks. So this one, if you want something that kind of goes with everything, is not super dark. It's not just really flashy. It's not very frosty. It's just interesting. It's just pretty. It's feminine. It's interesting. I think you'll love this e.l.f. No Budge eyeshadow stick in the color Rose Gold. My last standout affordable makeup find from last year is Milani. And you know what? These might not be brand new products, but they're new to me. And again, I've just been kind of diving deep into finding really good affordable makeup products that I love that work terrific. This Stay Put eyeliner by Milani, loving it so much. The 2 colors that I love right now are called Duchess. That's the one I'm wearing today. And it's kind of a purpley color. And I would almost call it a purpley brown because I don't want to say purple and have you think that it's an ultraviolet, bright, super intense purple color. I don't think that it is. And the other color that I love is the semi-sweet, which, semi-sweet chocolate. So it's a dark brown color. I love both of them. I've talked about this before that I'm not a huge fan of black eyeliner, especially as we get older. Some women can wear it very, very well. I find that for a lot of us, as the color is kind of leaving our face, as our features are kind of drooping and we're losing the color in our face, black eyeliner in a lot of cases is not super flattering. So by using a brown, by using maybe even a blue or a purple, it can be a little bit more flattering, a lot less harsh. Your eye makeup isn't entering the room before you do. And these Milani Stay Put eyeliners, I think they're terrific. And everything that I showed today is washing off really, really well with your regular face soap and water at the end of the day. So this Milani Stay Put eyeliner has been fabulous. It stays put throughout the day, just like the name implies, but washes off really easily at the end of the day. I hope you enjoyed all of these. If you'd like to see my favorite beauty finds from last year, leave me a comment and let me know, and I will definitely make that video. If you'd like to see more, be sure to come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. And if you enjoyed this, I really hope that you'll give it a thumbs up. Hit the bell notification so you know when more videos come out, and definitely subscribe. I'm so glad that you're here today. I hope you go out today and you're blessed and you do your best, and I'll see you next time.